Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to lower BMW X5. Start by gathering tools and clearing a level workspace, then secure the vehicle and test jack points before lifting. Check the shop manual for torque specs and sensor locations, and plan for alignment after lowering. Take photos during disassembly to simplify reassembly, and have replacement parts and hardware ready so you can work smoothly and safely through each step. Decide on a lowering method that fits your goals and budget, and check compatibility with your X5 model and tire setup. Lowering springs are cost-effective and simple, while coilovers offer adjustability and performance gains for enthusiasts. Consider clearance for calipers, exhaust, and sway bars, and remember heavier mods may require upgraded shocks, alignment, and periodic inspections to keep handling safe and predictable on everyday roads. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh cabin scent after a messy install. It pairs surprisingly well with grease and new parts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work methodically, starting with one corner to maintain vehicle stability and reference for measurements. Compress springs carefully with a rated tool and inspect mounts, bearings, and bump stops while components are removed. Reassemble using new hardware when necessary, torque all bolts to spec, and lower the vehicle slowly to check ride height and clearance. Finish with a full alignment and road test to confirm steering response, ride comfort, and proper tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.